Hello friends! In this series of videos, we're going through first position minor pentatonic scales. Here we go. A minor pentatonic. Let's talk through the pattern first. Open 5th string, 3rd finger C, open D, 2nd finger E, open G, 2nd finger A. Let's play together. 1, 2, ready, play. Once again, 1, 2, ready, play. Have fun practicing. And as always, if you haven't clicked subscribe, please do so. You won't miss any new content as we launch it. You can also visit us at beginningguitaronline.com. While you're there, sign up for the Woodshed newsletter. We gather educational guitar content from around the web and deliver it right to your inbox.